But let's get to the action. Hormaz, as always, is standing by to give us a neat summary of all that moved and shook today. Hormaz.
The bigger takeaway is that tomorrow is a Friday, so you'll take a lot of heart from that. But you mentioned defensives and you spoke of IT. We'll get to IT in just a bit. But the bigger aggressor among the defensives was Pharma in today's session, and Lupin after the double upgrade ending 8% higher today. Another name that springs up, Laurus Labs, an underperformer, and that ended 4% higher as well. Walkhard for the 13th straight day, gaining, ending at the lowest point of the day, but still ending 5% higher. Zydus Life and Sun Pharma also had a good day. You mentioned IT, and that continues to lend support even as the banks are a bit wobbly in the last few sessions. Coforge, HCL Tech, Persistent, the two index heavyweights, Infosys and TCS, also putting their hand up ahead of the earnings season. Defense stocks, of course, they continued to shine. Masgao Dock, we'll talk more about it in just a bit. 5,600 now on the stock. 20% circuit there, 10% circuit on Cochin Shipyard, and almost 10% circuit on Garden Reach as well. And BDL and HL also seeing some minor gains, if you can call it that, in today's session. Plenty of business updates that came out. Bajaj Finance, Suryodaya Small Finance Bank started off well, but then cooled off as the day went by. You can say the flip side for Vedanta, didn't start off that well, but ended almost at the day's high, 1.5% higher there. Bandhan Bank and ITD Cementation, not technically a business update as such, but something related to the business, 15% lower there as well. And lastly, some stocks that gained on the back of volumes. AstraZeneca, another pharma name there, 12% higher. Inox Wind, 10.5% after the net debt-free status that the company is about to achieve. Lloyds Metals, Bajaj Holding and Honasa Consumer 15% higher on the stock at 500 rupees today. Back to you guys.
All right, Hormaz, got it. Thanks very much. Very interesting action on individual stocks today. Well, let's